CBSE examination paper, Delhi 2008. General instruction. All questions are compulsory. Question 1 to 8 are very short. Answer question and carry 1 mark each. Question number 9 to 18 are short answer question and carry 2 marks each. Question number 19 to 27 are also short answer questions and carry 3 marks each. Question number 28 to 30 are longer answer questions and carry 5 marks each. Use log table if necessary. Use the calculator is not allowed. CBSE की दिल्ली का सेट 1 है. What is the coordination number of each types of ions in a rock salt type crystal structure? Coordination number of sodium प्लस आयन का है 6. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ क्लोरीन माइनस आयन का है 6. डिफाइन द टर्म ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन फॉर केमिकल रिएक्शन. द सम ऑफ पावर्स ऑफ द कंसंट्रेशंस ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट्स इन द रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन इज कॉल्ड द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. व्हाट कॉजेज ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट इन ए कॉलोइडल सॉल्यूशन? दिस इज ड्यू टू द अनइक्वल bombardment of colloidal particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. In which one of the two structure NO2 plus and NO2 minus the bond angle has a higher value? NO2 plus has higher bond angle as the central atom nitrogen. In NO2 minus has a lone pair of electrons. Write the IUPAC name of the following compound. यहाँ पे 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप हमें दिख रहे हैं और कितने कार्बन है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 कार्बन है, जिसमें से 3 तो सीक्वेंस में हमारे पास में है और ये जो 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप जो है वो अटैच्ड है. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप जो है जहाँ से शुरू होगा वहाँ से हम लेंगे. तो क्योंकि 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप है तो डाई ऑल हो गया पहले और तीसरे कार्बन पे अटैच है तो 1 3 डाई ऑल हो गया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 कार्बन मेन ग्रुप में है तो हेक्सेन हो गया क्योंकि कोई भी इसमें डबल बॉन्ड नहीं ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं है. और 2 ग्रुप हमारे मिथाइल के हैं जो 2 और 5th पोजीशन पे है तो 2 5 होगा तो इसका नाम हुआ 2 5 डाई मिथाइल हेक्सेन 1 3 डाई ऑल. ऑल हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप के लिए हो गया, पहली और तीसरी पोजीशन पे है. हेक्सेन 6 कार्बन हो गया. इन यहाँ पे जो है सफिक्स जो उससे ये पता चलता है कि इसमें कोई भी सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है, डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं है और 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप कार्बन 2 और 5 पर अटैच्ड है. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स इन एन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर एसिड स्ट्रेंथ. Arrange the following compounds in an increasing order of their acid strength. सबसे कम इसमें फर्स्ट की है, फिर उसके बाद में थर्ड की, फिर सेकंड की. तो ये इनका ऑर्डर रहेगा. राइट ए केमिकल रिएक्शन इन विच द आयोडाइड आयन रिप्लेसेस द डाईएजोनियम ग्रुप इन ए डाईएजोनियम सॉल्ट. तो बेंजीन डाईएजोनियम क्लोराइड पोटेशियम आयोडाइड आयोडोबेंजीन प्लस KCl plus N2. Name a substance that can be used as an antiseptic as well as a disinfectant. Phenol. 0.2% solution of phenol act as antiseptic, whereas 1% solution act as disinfectant. Explain as to why haloarenes are much less reactive than haloalkanes towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. In haloarenes, CX bond acquires a partial double bond character due to resonance. In haloarenes, CX bond acquires a partial double bond character due to resonance. As a result, the bond cleavage in haloarenes is difficult than haloalkanes and therefore they are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Which compound in each of the following pairs will react faster is SN2 reactions with hydroxide? hydroxyl group Y. Which compound in each of the following pairs will react faster in SN2 reaction with hydroxyl group Y? CH3I reacts faster than CH3Br as iodine is a better leaving group because of its larger size. CH3Cl 1 degree halide reacts faster than 3 degree halide since in case tertiary butyl chloride 3 bulky methyl group hinder the approaching nucleophile. State the IUPAC name of the following compound. डबल बॉन्ड है तो इन ग्रुप हो गया 1 2 3 4 4 कार्बन है तो ब्यूटेन ब्यूटीन सेकंड पे 1 2 तो सेकंड पे यहाँ पर जो है डबल बॉन्ड आ रहा है तो ब्यूट 2 इन ब्रोमो ग्रुप जो है पहले ही कार्बन पे है तो 1 ब्रोमो ब्यूट 2 इन. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग केमिकल रिएक्शन. तो ब्यूट 1 इन जो है HBr से पेरोक्साइड की प्रेजेंस में जब रिएक्ट करेगा तो बॉन्ड टूटेगा और उसकी जगह ब्रोमीन आ जाएगा तो 1 ब्रोमो ब्यूटेन बन जाएगा. ब्यूट 1 इन से 1 ब्रोमो ब्यूटेन बन जाएगा. स्टेट Henry's law correlating the pressure of a gas and its solubility in a solvent and mention 2 applications of the law. It states that at constant temperature the mass of a gas M dissolved in a given volume of the liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas P present in equilibrium with the liquid. A first order decomposition reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. Calculates its T half value. तो हेनरी का लॉ जो था वो था constant temperature the mass of a gas dissolved in a given volume of the liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas present in equilibrium with the liquid. Mathematically m proportional to P. Proportionality का साइन हटाएंगे तो कांस्टेंट आएगा m इक्वल टू KHP. KH यहाँ पे हेनरी का लॉ कांस्टेंट है. एप्लीकेशन है इसकी टू इंक्रीज द सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स एंड सोडा वाटर. द बॉटल इज सील्ड अंडर हाई प्रेशर टू मिनिमाइज द पेनफुल इफेक्ट अकम्पनिंग द डिकम्प्रेशन of deep sea divers. Oxygen diluted with less soluble helium gas is used as breathing gas. अब फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन का फॉर्मूला हो गया K इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन T log R नॉट अपॉन R. T 40 मिनट पे जो होगा आपका R नॉट अपॉन R है 100 माइनस 30 10 अपॉन 7. तो ये वैल्यू आ गई K की 2.303 अपॉन T है 40 मिनट्स लॉग 10 अपॉन 7 तो 2.303 अपॉन 40 लॉग 1.428 इक्वल टू हो गया हमारा. लॉग निकाल लेंगे तो लॉग टेबल देखकर 2.303 डिवाइड बाई 40 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.1548. K की वैल्यू होती है 8.91 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 3 पर मिनट. तो T जो हो गया 0.693 अपॉन K. तो ये वैल्यू आ गई आपकी 77.78 मिनट. What is meant by the rate constant K of a reaction? If the concentration is expressed in mole per liter, unit and time in seconds, what would be the unit for K for a zero order reaction and for a first order reaction? Rate constant is the rate of the reaction when the concentration of each reactant is taken as unity. Rate equal to K A to the power n. जनरल यूनिट जो है वो है मोल पर लीटर पावर 1 माइनस n पर सेकेंड जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का n जीरो होगा तो यूनिट जो होगी मोल पर लीटर पर सेकेंड हो जाएगी, और फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन में n की वैल्यू 1 होगी तो यूनिट जो है पर सेकेंड हो जाएगी। डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स इन रिलेशन टू प्रोटीन्स, पेप्टाइड लिंकेज एंड डीनेचुरेशन। अ पेप्टाइड लिंकेज इन एन amide linkage CONH formed between COOH group of 1 alpha amino acid and NH2 group of the other amino acid by the elimination of a water molecule। तो यहाँ पर जो है वाटर मॉलिक्यूल जो है वो रिलीज होगा और ये CONH ये जो है आपकी पेप्टाइड लिंकेज है। Denaturation, when a protein in its native form is subjected to physical change like change in temperature or chemical change like change in pH, the hydrogen bonds are disturbed. Due to this, globules unfold and helix get uncoiled and proteins loses its biological activity. During denaturation, 2 degree and 3 degree structures of proteins are destroyed, but 1 degree structure remains intact, for example coagulation of egg while on boiling. List the reactions of glucose which cannot be explained by its open chain structure. The following reactions of glucose cannot be explained by its open chain structure despite having the aldehyde group. Glucose does not give 2,4-DNP test, shift test, and it does not form the hydrogen sulfide addition product with NaSSO3. The pentacetate of glucose does not react with hydroxylamine, indicating the absence of free CHO group. When the glucose is treated with methanol in the presence of dihydrogen chloride gas, it gives it 2 isomeric monomethyl derivative known as alpha D glucoside and methyl beta D glucoside. These glucosides do not react with hydrogen cyanide or with hydroxylamine. Assign a reason for each of the following statements. Ammonia is a stronger base than phosphine. Sulfur in vapor state exhibit a paramagnetic behavior. The following as the atomic size of nitrogen is smaller than phosphorus, therefore electron density on nitrogen atom is higher than that on phosphorus atom. Consequently, the tendency of N in NH3 to donate its lone pair of electron is much higher than that of P in PS3. Thus, ammonia is a stronger base than phosphine. In vapor state, sulfur partly exists as S2 molecules which has 2 unpaired electrons in the anti-bonding pi strict orbitals like O2 and hence exhibits paramagnetic behavior. Draw the structure of the following molecules SF4 and xenon F4. sp3 dehybridization है और sp3 d2 hybridization है. What are biodegradable and non-biodegradable detergents? Give one example of each class. Biodegradable detergents having straight hydrocarbon chains are easily degraded by microorganisms and hence called biodegradable detergents. For example, sodium 4,1-dodecyl benzene sulfate. Non-biodegradable detergents having branched hydrocarbon chains are not easily degraded by microorganisms and hence are called non-biodegradable detergent. For example, sodium 4,1,3,5,7 tetramethyl octyl benzene sulfonate. Non-biodegradable detergents accumulate in rivers and waterways, thereby causing water pollution. What is a semiconductor? Describe the two main types of semiconductors and explain mechanism for their conduction. These are the solids with conductivities in the intermediate range from 10 to power minus 6 to 10 to the power 4 per ohm per meter. Semiconductors are of two types, N-type of semiconductor, P-type of semiconductors. N-type semiconductor, when a silicon or germanium crystal is doped with group 15 element like phosphorus or astatine, the dopant atom forms 4 covalent bonds like a silicon or germanium atom, but the fifth electron, not used in bonding, becomes delocalized and contributes its share towards electrical conduction. The silicon or germanium doped with P or AS, phosphorus or astatine, is called N-type semiconductor. N indicate of negative since it is the electron that conducts electricity. P-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor, where silicon or germanium is doped with group 13 element like boron or aluminium. The dopant has only with 3 valence electrons. An electron vacancy or a hole is created at the place of missing 4th electron. Hence, this hole moves through the crystal like a positive charge, giving rise to electrical conductivity. The silicon or germanium doped with boron or aluminium is called P-type of semiconductor. P stands for positive hole, since it is the positive hole that is responsible for conduction. सिलिकॉन एटम का ये परफेक्ट क्रिस्टल है, ये एन टाइप और ये पी टाइप. Calculate the temperature at which a solution containing 54 gram of glucose into 50 gram of water will freeze. Kf for water 1.86 K Kelvin per mole per kilogram. मास ऑफ ग्लूकोज WB 54 ग्राम गिवन है. ग्लूकोज का मास जो हो गया वो 180 हो गया. मास ऑफ वाटर जो है वो 250 ग्राम गिवन है. KF जो है 1.86 K पर मोल Kg गिवन है. अप्लाइंग फॉर्मूला TF जो है आपका KF क्रॉस WB इंटू 1000 अपॉन MB इंटू WA. वैल्यूज रखने पर यहाँ पर आंसर आ जाएगा 2.23. TF जो होगा T डिग्री F में से डेल TF प्लस करेंगे तो माइनस 2.23 डिग्री सेल्सियस. What are lyophilic and lyophobic salts? Give one example of each type. Which one of these two types of salts is easily coagulated and why? Lyophilic salt are those salts in which the particle of dispersed phase have great affinity for the dispersion medium. For example, sole of gum, gelatin, starch, etc. Lyophobic salts, in this type of salts, the particles of dispersed phase have little or no affinity for the dispersion medium. For example, gold salt, ferrous hydroxide, salt, and astatine, oxidized salt, etc. Lyophobic salts easily coagulate on the addition of a small amount of electrolyte because these are not stable. The stability of lyophobic salt is only due to the presence of charge on the colloidal particles. On the other hand, the stability of lyophilic salt is due to charge as well as solvation of colloidal particles.